7 natural remedies to treat acid reflux. Acid reflux is a very common health problem, which is characterized by a burning sensation in the stomach, behind the breastbone and sometimes in the throat, along with pain that can sometimes become so severe that it may be confused with a heart attack. Many people believe this problem is caused by too much acid in the stomach, which usually results in medicine to block acid being prescribed. However, research has found that in some cases this is a mistaken concept, since the problem is normally due to a lack of stomach acid. Bearing this in mind, proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, tend to worsen the problem, and this is why many people who take the medication feel the problem gets worse. Studies have found this symptom is commonly related to hiatal hernia or Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori, bacterial infection. To control acid reflux without using medication, here are some natural remedies that, according to studies, have shown a positive result in treating this problem. So keep reading to learn about natural remedies to combat acid reflux. Apple cider vinegar. As previously mentioned, acid reflux is produced when there is very little acid in the stomach. To alleviate this, you can take a spoonful of pure apple cider vinegar without diluting it in a glass of water. Apple cider vinegar will improve the amount of stomach acid. Baking soda. Baking soda's properties help neutralize stomach acid, especially when the burning sensation caused by acid reflux exists. You can simply dissolve a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it. It isn't recommended to drink this regularly, but you can drink it when the pain is unbearable. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice has properties that can help reduce stomach inflammation, which can contribute to alleviating symptoms of acid reflux. It is recommended to drink a 1/2 cup of aloe vera juice before each meal. It is important to mention that it can have a laxative effect if you drink it in excess. Ginger root. Ginger is a powerful root that has gastroprotective properties that help block acid and suppress Helicobacter pylori bacteria. According to studies conducted in 2007, this ingredient is 8 times more powerful than lansoprazole in preventing the formation of ulcers. To take advantage of these properties, it is recommended to prepare ginger tea, adding 2 or 3 slices of ginger to 2 cups of hot water. Allow it to boil and preferably drink it 20 minutes before each meal. Betaine. Another good option to treat this problem is a betaine hydrochloride supplement, which can be bought at a health food store with no prescription. You should take the recommended amount to alleviate the burning sensation and then reduce it to 1 capsule. Taking it regularly will help your body digest food better, and will also help eliminate H. pylori bacteria. Vitamin D. Vitamin D plays an important role in the treatment of any infectious agent. When you manage to get higher levels of vitamin D, your body functions better and produces at least 200 microbial peptides that help eradicate all kinds of infectious agents. To increase levels of vitamin D, you can get a healthy amount of sun exposure, or even use tanning beds. You can also buy a vitamin D supplement, but remember that you should also increase your consumption of vitamin K2. Glutamine. According to a study published in 2009, gastrointestinal damage from H. pylori can be related to glutamine amino acid, present in beef, chicken, fish, eggs, lactose products, and some fruits and vegetables. You can also buy a supplement. Other advice. To combat acid reflux, it is important to restore balance and natural functioning to the gastric system. It is also important to eat many vegetable and other high-quality foods, preferably organic ones. Eat fermented foods regularly to obtain beneficial bacteria. This helps balance the intestinal system, which naturally combats the H. pylori bacteria.